Welcome to another flipped classroom tutorials. Now today's video is really aimed at all those teachers that are gamifying their teaching. If you are using badges in class, this video is for you. Now I'm going to show you how you can quickly create your own badges similar to these. Now this is a badge awarded to all the students who have demonstrated a certain level of Google Docs. This one was awarded to students who have demonstrated to me that they understand Google Draw and can use it for creative projects. Now, how did I create these? Well, I created these in Draw. So let me just quickly show you how I did that. Click on New, More, and Google Drawings. Now, creating badges is very easy within the Google Apps system because we have everything we need in one place. Let's go to File, and change our page setup to a custom size. Now for badges, I like to use 500 pixels. So let's say 500 to 500. This gives us a nice square shaped canvas. Now I'm going to create a round badge, and my badge will be for Google Sheets Mastery. So let's go to Shapes, and you can select any of these shapes. Now I like to use the circular shape. So let's go ahead and select a circular shape, which is in a donut format. There we go. Now, I would like to have the Google Sheets icon in the middle. On the top I wanted to say Google in a green color, and on the bottom I wanted to say Sheets so that it matches my other badges. This way I can have a consistent look no matter which badge I award to my students. So let's start with my fill color. My fill color, light green. Let's go with a nice thick line. Let's say 4 pixels, maybe slightly thicker. Let's go with 8. Let's give this a dark green color, which will really match the icon for Google Sheets. And then we can even choose a different line dash. This way we can have different looking badges. As you can see, my Google Docs badge has a full line. My Google Draw badge is dashed. So for Google Sheets, I am going to go with dots. This makes it look a bit different. I am going to, of course, name my file Google Sheets badge. And I'm going to insert the Google logo. Now in order to do this, I go to Insert, Image. And what I meant by saying everything is within the Google Apps, I can go to Search and type in Google logo. Now I also want to make sure that I am using the new Google logo, so let's scroll down. Here it is. I will select this image, resize it, and as you can see, it is a very colorful logo. I could just use the logo as is, but because I want it to be unique, I'm going to recolor this and use green shades. So I'm going to go to Image Options, and I'm going to recolor using green. Now you can select any of these colors, but I'm going to go with green. And already this is starting to look like a unique logo. I can add my text, which will say Sheets. Once you've done that, there's only one thing left, and it's a nice little icon in the middle and maybe some stars down the side. So let's go to our shapes and go for a nice star shape. Callouts, star. Here we go. Both sides. Now I do not want a line. I do want to have a green fill color. I'm going to copy this to the other side. Now all that's left for me to do is insert the icon. So let's go ahead and insert image. And this time, instead of doing a search, I am going to use the URL of a previously found image. So I can insert it here and click select. Let's resize this image and move it to the middle of my badge. As you can see, I now have a badge created by me to award to my students for Google Sheets Mastery. Now if I want to download this, I can simply go to File, Download as PNG. Now what this gives me is a nice Google Sheets badge for my collection. I hope this was helpful. Do let me know if you have any questions. You can leave them in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel, and if you have any badges that you've created and you feel that other teachers might benefit from using them, do feel free to share them in the comment section.